In this video clip, I'll be showing you step 2 for installing our door security guard. Our next step is to install our first piece. Next, we need to mark for our second piece. And I'm only marking 2 of the holes. Just in case I mess up, I still have the other 2 holes to adjust. Pre-drill. And place your component. At this point, you want to go ahead and test it to make sure that all of your components are lined up and it works properly. Everything seems to be working properly, so I can go ahead and put in the remainder of my screws. Now I have a lock set at a height that a small child should not be able to reach.